In this video, I'll be walking you through the sales tax report, which is a report that you can find once an auction is closed on the auction edit page. So I'm on the auction list page now, and I'm going to open up an auction that's been closed and invoices have been paid for on this auction as well. And where you'll find the auction report is at the top tab here. You hover your mouse over reports, scroll down to the third one where it says sales tax report. And what you'll see in front of you is a very simple view, just showing you the invoice amount, tax amount, and then some very basic invoice and bidder information. So on this auction, I deliberately made the tax rate 0% on all the invoices except one, just so I can add another tax rate on an invoice and show you how the page updates. So starting off at the top of this view, you'll have your company's address and website, and then it'll say sales tax report for the auction title. In this case, massive collection of Volkswagen Beetles. And then the report itself is divided by invoice, bidder, the tax rate, the taxable amount, and then the overall amount that is taxed. You'll also be able to access the dashboard view of the auction by clicking on dashboard at the top of the page, and it'll open up a different view of the dashboard of the auction, showing you other information. But anyway, going back to this, you can also print this view by clicking on print. And this is just your standard view where you can choose to print, change the layout, and save as PDF as well. All your usual options. You can of course download the file in an Excel format, .xls, straight to your browser. But anyway, just to show you how it works, I'm going to add a tax to one of the invoices that is marked as 0%. Let's go into the invoices, pick one at random. Let's go with this one, open it up, and then let's edit the tax. From 0, let's make it 20 tax, which is my other tax rate. That'll be there. Let's also add a payment for the new tax amount. Let's do cash. This one doesn't have a payment profile. And now let's go back to the report, and here it is. It's added the new invoice, which you can also click on, by the way, I forgot to mention. By clicking on the invoice ID or the bidder ID, you'll be able to open up the invoice and the bidder respectively. So just a nice little quick way to open up the information from this view as well. And then it showed the rate, which is 20%, the total amount of the invoice, and then the overall amount that has been taxed on this auction. Just to reiterate, this can be updated in real time, so if you make any updates, you don't have to refresh the page. This will refresh information accordingly, and if you have any invoices or items that are taxed at 0, they won't be on this report. Thanks for watching.